We're in the Alliance Peregrine 38 FL. It's a nice fifth wheel. We're going to start out all the way in the back end of it here. And this is the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Come around to the shower. We got a max air fan in the bathroom.
Lots of storage back here.
Lots of storage, a lot of cabinet space.
Cabinets in here.
Look at this great big closet. Looks like there's hookups in here for a washer and dryer. This is the master bedroom.
I like the little sit down.
All kinds of drawers.
All kinds of dimmers on the lights. You don't have to open over here. Barn door. USBs by the bed.
It's a king size bed. Barn door is going into the bathroom and into the living space. Here's your control panel. We're doing all of your slides and everything. Residential refrigerator. Looks like you have a full oven and a 4-burner stove. It's a solid surface countertops all the way through it. Another max air fan up above in the kitchen. Little dining area with a nice table and chairs. Little slide out for that.
Shoe storage underneath those stairs.
Shoe storage underneath. Come up the stairs into the living space. Great big open space, has a nice fireplace. There's hidden storage behind the fireplace by the looks of it. I'm not going to pull it out right at this moment. But this is a view from the front end looking back towards the back.
3 air conditioners.
Very nice molding and everything on here. It's really well done. In the kitchen, the door right here, there's a half bath right here by the front door. All your max air fan controls and everything like that is here. Again, it's the 385 FL. Has 2 awnings on it. Power awnings that come out. Again, it's the Paradigm Alliance RV. Okay, right here we have an Alliance toy hauler. It's a Valor.
This is 13-foot garage.
A 13-foot garage. It's on a more ride suspension. Let's see what we got going on here. Has 2 canopies off the passenger side. And it says immediate delivery available. Water connect outside. It's locked up. Let's go in. The Lippert stairs. Come up, and right immediately in front of you is the control panels. And off to our right, we go up a couple steps and we're into the master bedroom. Here's the bathroom. Has a residential shower. King size bed. TV over the window away from the bed. There's a full closet up here in the front where you can hook up a washer and dryer. Now we can go down the stairs into the living area. In the living area, we have a central island in the middle. We have tables and chairs. Turn back around so we can see the residential refrigerator.
Well, I don't know if this is residential, if this has the 12-volt thing.
Huh?
So it's got 12-volt air compressor, fuel tank pump, power recliners, charge ports, garage TV, bedroom TV, stereo system, antenna, LED lighting, garage bed lift, ramp gate lock, RV slide outs, landing gear, furnace, and water pump. The refrigerator's not on there, but this one says right above. It's weird because it's got a picture of that.
We come over and see there's a microwave up, a convection oven up above. What's that?
It says 12-volt fridge right there.
It does have a.
Because this has a 100 amp hour lithium battery, a battery monitoring system, 40 amp charge controllers, and two 320 watt solar panels, so that it can run all that stuff.
That's already on it. So we got right over here in the kitchen. We have the convection oven up on top. We have a full oven and 3-burner propane stove. A place to put your pans underneath. Looks really nice. You got the sofa going back. Sofa in the back, going through the back. And you see the entertainment center with a fireplace down below. Stereo system underneath the television. The speaker system down below the TV. Storage up above the television. We can walk back into the garage. And there's a place in the back here in the garage for a washer and dryer also. So let's see what we got going on here in the back. There's also a bathroom in the back, in the garage. You have the bed that comes down in the back. You have the full screened in area for the doors once it's open, the ramp is back opened up. The ramp and the patio isn't opened up right at the moment, but looking back into it, you can see storage up above and a television in the back here. And this comes down for a bed, or will fold up into chairs. Again, this is the Alliance Valor toy hauler.